going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out the light on a 1996 Ford Taurus. It's probably the same for multiple years of the Ford Tauruses. The first thing you'll notice is you'll have 3 screws that you'll need to take out. One will be here, one up here, and one up there. And what you'll need to take that out is the size 10 socket. So we're about to remove those now. Alright, so now that we basically have the 3 screws out, what you want to do is just pull back on the light fixture like that. This is also how you would change out the whole light assembly. Alright, so once you pull the actual light assembly out like that, you'll see like a little circle part right here, like a donut. You just want to pull back. And once you pull that back, what you'll see now is the actual electrical connection that's going into your light itself. So now what you want to do is take like a flathead screwdriver or something, kind of lift up on it, and then pull back. Once you lift up on it like that, and you'll see the electrical harness come out of it. And once you've done that, you'll be able to actually remove your whole light assembly. And now what you want to do is come back here. This is actually a light right here. So the next thing you want to do is spin this donut that goes around the light like that. Once you spin it, it'll come loose and you can pull it off the top of the actual light itself. Set that to the side, and now what you can do is pull your light bulb itself out like that. And of course, once you want to put it back in, just the reverse process. Take your light, put it back in here into the opening, and then you want to take your donut you took off and put it back on top, and make sure you spin it back to lock the light in so it doesn't come loose. Then what you're going to do basically is take your whole light assembly and slide it back in into this connection. Yeah, slide it back into the spot. Then take your electrical connection and plug that back on, and take your basically donut that goes over that and push that back on. And next what you'll want to do is take your whole light assembly and just slide it back in to where it matches back up with the 3 screws that you would took out to remove your whole light assembly. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your headlight on a 1996 Ford Taurus. It's same for multiple different years. Please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.